Number two is you gotta locate the main drain. Okay, so because this is a basement, the main plumbing stack is all exposed. The basement's unfinished, clearly. So if you find out where the main plumbing stack is, you can get a plumber to come in with a camera that can do a kind of a 3D scan of underneath. So they stick the camera down, and then with whatever system they have, you can figure out exactly where the main plumbing lines run. Because the idea is to locate it first in order to find out how you can tie in your new plumbing to these existing lines. Okay, so step number one, put the plumbing up. Number two, I'm gonna walk you through how I found my basement drains. So like I was saying before, number one step is get the framing up. Once the framing is up, we want to locate the drain, okay? So now, given the surrounding, I know the camera's angle is not very good, but we're able to find the main plumbing stack coming down, okay? So first, we located, okay, where's the bathroom upstairs? Bathroom's located right up top here, okay? And because we know that, we're gonna find out where the main plumbing is gonna be. If your basement's already finished, it might be a little harder to do. But because this is already unfinished, we found that there's only one main stack coming in and it's going towards the ground, okay? Next, you wanna see where would this water exit? Because this main drain comes down, all your sewage waste would go down and it has to exit somewhere, right? Especially in Ontario, I don't know for other parts of the world, but particularly in this region, most of them would tie out to the front of the house. So we locate the front of the house and we want to see if there's any other signs of a drain. So then we can figure out, hey, is there actually a main drain running through or not? So we're gonna head over there and we're gonna take a look. So coming through to the front of the house, we see that this is actually where the water supply comes in also. Since the water supply comes in this way, we know the main plumbing stack's this way. Oops, I moved the camera. That way. So it must run towards the camera here, towards this wall. So if it's running towards this wall, we got to figure out, hey, how does it actually run? If we don't have any other signs, we have to hire a plumber to find a camera, and they'll be able to mark out exactly where the plumbing line goes. Luckily for us, we were able to find a backup drain here. Okay, so in case there's a major backup anywhere, this is where a plumber would go to snake your plumbing drains to clear any clogs that there are. So after I pop this open, it's kind of dark to see, but let me get another angle in here. So you can clearly see that this is about 2 feet deep and there is some water running there. If you don't have it, if you are still unsure, what you would do is get someone upstairs to flush or turn on the water supply somehow, and you can see the water actually flowing down here. Now, before I even pop this open, I had an idea that the drain was gonna run this way because the drain's here and the main stack is out, position the camera, is out that way. That means that it should be running parallel to the wall here, to this wall to the right. So given that I already started digging. But as I was digging, I realized 1 foot deep, I still couldn't find the drain. That's when I got worried. So looking at this backup drain, I can tell that, hey, 1 foot is actually not enough. When I stick a measuring tape down there, this is actually 2 feet deep. So that means in order for me to locate, oh, you can see the water running. See, the water is running right there. So that's how you know this is the main drain. But given that this is 2 feet deep, this plumbing drain should be sloping, I think, a quarter inch per foot. So if it's a quarter inch per foot, that means that if this is 2 feet, I could probably dig another 1.5 feet and I should be able to find where the drain is on that side over there. Okay. So number one, do the framing so you figure out where your drain's going to be. Number two, locate the main drain. Number three, start digging. Okay.